If you're wondering how people make money on Binance, you're not alone. It's the go-to platform for beginners and pros, but most users only scratch the surface. In this video right here, I'll break down the easiest ways to make money on Binance, so even if you're brand new, you'll know exactly where to start. First, let's talk about getting started. Binance is a global exchange, which means depending on where you live, you might be using the main Binance platform or Binance US. Either way, the process of opening an account is straightforward. You start by creating an account with your email or phone number. Set up a strong password and then complete ID verification, also known as KYC. This step is required because Binance follows international regulations, and it helps keep your account secure. You'll usually need to upload a government-issued ID and maybe take a quick selfie to prove it's really you. The whole thing typically takes less than 10 minutes, and once you're verified, you'll have full access to the platform. After you're verified, the next step is adding funds to your account. Binance offers a few different ways to do this. One of the easiest is linking your bank account directly, which allows you to deposit fiat, currency like US dollars or euros. You can also use a credit or debit card to buy crypto instantly. But here's something beginners need to be aware of. Credit card transactions almost always come with higher fees, sometimes as much as 3 or even 4% per purchase. That might not sound like a lot to you at first, but over time, it really eats into your profits. If your bank supports it, a direct transfer is often the cheapest method because fees are usually minimal. Some regions even offer instant e-transfers, which means you can move money into Binance within minutes. Another option is to deposit stablecoins like USDT or USDC from another wallet or exchange. This is handy if you already hold crypto elsewhere or have it in another wallet. Just bring it into Binance without converting it back into cash first. Once your account is funded, you're officially ready to start exploring the platform. At this stage, many beginners just want to test things out with a small amount, maybe $20 or $50 before moving large sums. That's a smart approach because it gives you a chance to learn how deposits, withdrawals, and conversions work without risking too much upfront. Now that your Binance account is all set up, don't click away because next I'm going to walk you through 7 different ways to actually make money on the platform. The simplest way to make money on Binance is with Binance Convert, the beginner-friendly version of spot trading. It removes the complicated charts and order types. Just choose the coin you want to swap, the coin you want to receive, and hit confirm. In August 2025, Binance even updated the tool to make it faster and smoother. Can you really make money with Convert? Yes, but it comes down to timing. The idea behind it is you buy when the prices dip, then convert it back to stable coins like USDT when they rise. It's like exchanging dollars into euros when the rate favors you. Then you swap back once it shifts again. Think of it like flirting. You want to get in when it's low and pull out when it's high. Timing is everything. That said, don't expect to get rich overnight. Convert isn't for chasing second-by-second moves. It's more of a casual way to grow your portfolio by paying attention to dips and recoveries. And remember, trading always carries risk. If you buy at the wrong time, you might end up holding a coin that drops in value. That's why beginners should start small, maybe $10 or $20, so the mistakes don't sting too much, but you still gain some practice. One big advantage that Binance has is they often have zero-fee promotions on certain pairs. Normally, fees can eat into profits, especially with small trades, but here you can experiment without worrying about any of the commissions. So if you're brand new, Binance Convert is the cheapest place to start. It's simple, intuitive, and shows you how profit comes from buying low and selling high, without throwing you straight into the advanced trading tools. I'm curious, do you already use Binance or do you trade on a different platform? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you use. Now let's move into one of the most popular ways to earn on Binance, passive income. Binance offers a feature called Simple Earn, which was actually updated this year to be even easier for beginners. Instead of letting your crypto sit idle, you can place it into a flexible or locked plan and earn daily interest. If you hold coins like USDT, Ethereum, or Solana, flexible savings lets you withdraw anytime, kind of like a high-interest savings account. The yields are around 5 to 7% annually for stablecoins, which are far higher than the 1 to 2% you get at a bank. Locked savings boost returns even more if you commit for 30, 60, or 90 days. This is perfect for coins you're holding long term. The best part is you get paid daily. Imagine if your gym gave you daily rewards for not even showing up. You'd probably be rich by now. If you withdraw early from flexible plans, you still keep everything you've earned. That's why beginners love it. It's predictable and low effort. Think of it this way. If you believe in the long-term value of Ethereum or Solana, why not let it work for you in the meantime? Those daily payouts add up over time, especially if you reinvest them. While trading gets all the hype, Simple Earn is often the smarter first step for beginners. It's steady, reliable, and far safer than jumping straight into high-risk trading. Now, earning passive income is great, but you also have to understand the risk of leaving your crypto in an exchange. I learned this the hard way. I've lost tens of thousands of dollars when BlockFi and Celsius went under. Just a couple of weeks ago, I did get over $1,000 worth of Bitcoin back from the Celsius repayment plan, but that's only a fraction of what I lost. So learn from my mistake. Never keep more on a platform than you're willing to lose. Another exciting way to make money on Binance is through Launchpad and new token listings. This is what people often call the Binance effect. When Binance lists a new coin, it often skyrockets in price within hours. In fact, just this summer in August 2025, several new listings doubled in value on day one. These coins shoot up so fast, it feels like they've had 5 energy drinks and a double espresso before launch. The way Launchpad works is simple. You use your BNB tokens to commit to a new project before it goes live. Once the token launches, you receive an allocation. If the token performs well, your investment can multiply very quickly. But I'll be real with you. This is higher risk and not every project takes off. However, many beginners love this feature. It gives you a shot at catching the next big altcoin before the rest of the market even hears about it. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way, you won't miss my next video, where I'll be breaking down an altcoin that I truly believe has 10x potential. Now let's talk about something a bit more advanced, Binance Futures. This is where people can make serious money, but also lose it just as fast. Futures trading lets you use leverage, which means you can control a larger position with a smaller amount of money. For example, if you have $100 and you use 10x leverage, you could trade it as if you had $1,000. With leverage, your gains are multiplied, but so are your losses. It's basically like drunk texting your ex. Feels great in the moment, but the crash comes fast. Binance actually published a beginner's guide to futures in March 2025 that walks you through how to transfer money from your spot wallet to your futures wallet, set up margin, and open a trade. If you're a beginner, my advice is to start on the testnet. That's Binance's practice environment, where you can trade with fake money until you get more comfortable. Now here's the thing, margin trading is definitely not something I recommend for beginners. To put this into perspective, I have a buddy who's actually a financial advisor, someone who knows the market inside and out. But he lost over $200,000 trading stocks on margin a few years ago. That experience hit him so hard that he's sworn never to trade on margin again. So if a finance professional can lose that kind of money, you can imagine how risky it is for someone brand new. The bottom line is, be extremely careful with margin. And if you're just starting out, it's best to avoid it completely. Here's something most beginners don't realize. You can actually earn crypto on Binance without investing your own money. Binance has promotions where you can complete tasks, take part in quizzes, or use their referral program to earn small amounts of crypto daily. One of their most popular promotions right now lets you earn between $8 and $15 per day without any upfront investment. Usually, this involves referring friends or completing educational modules in the Binance Academy. Now, the referral program, you can earn up to 40% of your friends' trading fees. That means if someone you refer starts trading, you earn passive income automatically, even while you sleep. Another growing trend in 2025 is copy trading. Binance lets you follow professional traders and automatically copy their trades. This is perfect if you're brand new and don't know how to read the charts. Now, I'll be honest, copy trading is not a guaranteed money printer. Some traders are amazing one week and they're terrible the next. But if you do your research and pick consistent traders with a solid history, this can be a way to earn while learning how trading strategies actually work. Binance also integrates with crypto signal providers, which sends you alerts about when to buy and sell. Beginners should be careful here though. Signals are just advice, they're not guarantees. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like button. It really lets me know you want more content like this, and it helps me keep making videos just for you. Finally, let's talk about staking, another way to earn passive income on Binance. If you hold coins like Solana, Cardano, or Ethereum, you can stake them directly on the platform. Staking means locking your coins into the blockchain network to help validate transactions, and in return, you earn rewards. For example, staking Ethereum might pay around 3 to 4% annually, while coins like Solana or Cardano can offer more. The advantage of Binance is simplicity. Normally, staking requires running a validator node, but here, you just click stake, choose your amount, and Binance does the rest. Staking is ideal if you already believe in the long-term value of a coin. Instead of leaving it idle, staking lets your holdings generate returns that can compound over time. It's like a fixed deposit at a bank, but for crypto. Beyond staking, Binance also offers DeFi products where you can provide liquidity to pools, say ETH and USDT, and earn a share of the trading fees. These can be profitable when volume is high, though they do still carry some risk. The best part is that Binance integrates these tools right into the platform, so you don't need to be a DeFi expert to get started. Whether you stick with simple staking or branch into DeFi, Binance gives you multiple ways to grow your holdings. The key is to start small, stay safe, and expand once you get confident. Binance is the biggest crypto platform in the world, but that doesn't mean it's the best fit for everyone. If you want to see how it stacks up against the competition, check out my Coinbase tutorial. I've linked it right here in the playlist. Watch this next so you can compare both platforms and decide which one is right for you.